Breaking cybersecurity news, the FBI has issued a warning about a Russian-linked hacking group known as Static Tundra. This group, tied to Russia's FSB, has been exploiting a 7-year-old Cisco vulnerability in iOS and iOS XE software. The flaw, tracked as CVE-2018-0171 with a critical CVSS score of 9.8, lives in Cisco's Smart Install feature. It allows attackers to run malicious code or crash devices, putting entire networks at risk. According to Cisco Talos, Static Tundra is targeting telecom, education, and manufacturing organizations, especially those with strategic importance in the war against Ukraine. The FBI notes that the group has been stealing device configurations from U.S. critical infrastructure for over a year, modifying them for long-term espionage and backdoor access. Their toolkit includes SYNful Knock, a stealthy router implant first discovered in 2015, along with abuse of SNMP and tunneling techniques to quietly siphon network data. This isn't the first group to weaponize the flaw. Salt Typhoon previously used it against U.S. telecom providers. But the fact that multiple state-sponsored actors rely on the same vulnerability highlights the ongoing danger of unpatched systems. What should organizations do? Cisco is urging customers to patch CVE 2018-0171 immediately, or disable Smart Install if it isn't required. Ignoring this leaves your infrastructure exposed to nation-state attackers. At Vega Next, we help organizations stay ahead of these threats through proactive patch management, continuous monitoring, and threat intelligence. Stay safe, stay informed, and if you're unsure whether your network devices are secure, reach out to our team today.